Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to cut through all the noise and build a real, working blueprint for healthier skin. And we're basing it all on the incredible insights of Dr. Zak.
And we're kicking things off with a statement that, well, it might sound a little shocking, but trust me, it's rooted in some serious science. With this one line, Dr. Zonk is basically challenging the entire world of DIY skincare.
You know that feeling, right? You've tried everything from stuff you find in your kitchen to super expensive creams, and you're just not seeing results. The amount of advice out there is it's overwhelming. So today, we're going to clear all that up.
Here's the key. You have to stop searching for that one single magic bullet. It just doesn't exist. Real, lasting skin health comes from having a consistent, intelligent system. And that's exactly what we're going to build together, step by step. Okay, first things first. Let's clear the board of some of the biggest myths out there, the ones that are probably holding your skin back. We're going to tackle two of the worst offenders. We have all heard this a million times. Drink 10 glasses of water for glowing skin. But here's the thing, that one-size-fits-all rule, it just doesn't hold up. How much water your body actually needs is totally personal, not some universal number.
And this is where it gets cool, because this really puts the power back in your hands. Are you working out a lot? Do you live somewhere hot? Do you eat a lot of fruits and soups? Your body knows what it needs. And here's a quick way to check. It's called the skin pinch test. Just gently pinch the skin on the back of your hand. If it snaps right back, you're good. If it goes back slowly, you might need a glass of water. Simple as that.
I love this quote. It's funny, but it also highlights a huge myth that ingredients from your kitchen are good for your face. Things like gram flour, they belong in food, not scrubbed across your delicate skin. These DIY scrubs actually create tiny, invisible scratches called micro tears, and that can lead to all sorts of inflammation and breakouts.
So the whole point is to switch from those harsh physical scrubs to something way smarter, chemical exfoliants. Now don't let the word acid scare you. These are expertly formulated ingredients that just dissolve the glue holding dead skin cells to the surface. They give you that smooth, radiant skin without all the damaging friction.
Okay, now that we've busted those myths, let's build the foundation of our blueprint. This is a super simple, really powerful, and totally budget-friendly daily routine. And we're focusing specifically on oily skin.
This is it. This is your non-negotiable daily battle plan. In the morning, you cleanse with a medicated face wash. Medicated just means it has active ingredients that are designed to control oil and fight acne bacteria. Then you protect with a gel-based sunblock. This is so important because it won't feel heavy or greasy. And at night, you nourish with a retinol gel. Retinol is a powerhouse. It's a form of vitamin A that works while you sleep to regulate oil and renew your skin. It's simple, effective, and it works.
Okay, so you've got that daily routine locked in. Perfect. Now we can add the next layer to the blueprint, tackling those common, super frustrating skin problems with some really targeted solutions.
First up, let's talk about something almost everyone has dealt with. That redness, those bumps, that irritation that can show up after shaving or waxing. It feels like it's just part of the deal, right? But what if I told you it really doesn't have to be?
This right here is a total game changer. First, you prep with an anti-allergy pill. This just calms your body's reactive response from the get-go. Then, a cold pack numbs the skin, which reduces pain and redness. And the final step is crucial. Right after, you apply a cream with an antibiotic and an anti-inflammatory to stop infection and calm everything down. This simple plan transforms the whole experience.
And let's circle back to those chemical exfoliants we talked about. How do you pick the right one for you? Well, think of it like this. If you're dealing with rough, bumpy texture, that strawberry skin on your arms and legs, glycolic acid is your powerhouse. But if you have more sensitive skin or issues with pigmentation, or if you're pregnant, lactic acid is the way to go. It's much gentler, and it actually helps hydrate your skin.
All right, we've got our routine and our targeted treatments, but now let's talk about something that's so often overlooked but has a massive impact on your skin. What's happening while you're asleep?
Dr. Zak points out five major mistakes that most of us are making every single night, basically sabotaging our skin's own ability to repair itself.
Let's just quickly run through these because they're so important. 1. Not sleeping enough spikes your stress hormone, cortisol, which can trigger acne. 2. Eating in bed. It turns your sheets into a playground for bacteria. 3. Not showering before bed. You're literally bringing the whole day's worth of germs and pollution into bed with you. 4. Leaving makeup or sunblock on. Your pores need to breathe and repair at night. And finally, 5. Sleeping with your face mashed into the pillow. That friction can cause breakouts and even wrinkles over time. Your skin wants to heal at night, but you got to give it a clean slate to work with.
And look, here is such a simple but powerful upgrade you can make tonight. Just switching from a cotton to a silk pillowcase means way less friction on your skin and hair. It can help prevent irritation, breakouts, and those sleep lines. It's a small change with a surprisingly big impact.
So, we have covered a ton of ground. Now, let's bring all these pieces together and take a look at the complete blueprint we've just built.
So let's be absolutely clear. There is no single secret ingredient. There's no one magic potion that's going to give you perfect skin.
Instead, the real magic, well, it's in the system. It's about the synergy that happens when you combine debunking myths, a smart daily routine, targeted solutions, and better hygiene.
Think of it like this. These are your 4 pillars. First, you stop doing what doesn't work by getting rid of the myths. Second, you build that non-negotiable daily routine. Third, you apply specific solutions for your specific problems. And fourth, you create the best possible environment for your skin to heal every single night.
And this brings us to the final and maybe the most crucial point of all. You can have the best products and the best knowledge in the world, but without consistency across this entire system, you just won't see the results. It's the daily practice that creates real, lasting change.
And we'll leave you with that question to think about. Stop thinking about your skincare as just patching up problems as they appear. Start thinking about it as building a foundation of health for your body's largest organ. Now go build your blueprint.